Hello, students. I welcome you all once again. Students, as we are doing chapter number 5, data handling, and in today's video, we are going to cover a very important point, that is construction of pie chart. Children, before construction of pie chart, we will learn how to complete the tabular work. Tabular work means when the data for pie chart is given, how can we find out the value of central angles through which the pie chart will be constructed. Let's say this example. In this table, favorite food and the number of people are given, right? Like 30 people like North Indian food, 40 people like South Indian food. Like this data is given and we have to construct pie chart for this data. But in the first part, we are learning to find out the central angle, right? Means we will learn how to complete this tabular work, and in the second part we will learn how to construct pie chart. So let's see how to complete this table. Children, as you know that the first two columns are already given, means favorite food and number of people. Okay, and in this data, North Indian food, South Indian food, Chinese, others, and total is also given. But whenever the total is not given, you have to, first of all, you have to find the total, means you have to find the sum of the numbers given. It is compulsory because without total, you cannot find out the fraction and central angle. Like, so here total is already given 120. Third third column will be for the fraction, and fourth column is for central angle, right? First two columns are for the same favorite food and number of people. Third is for fraction and fourth one is for central angle. So let's learn how to find out the fraction for the given data. Like here the first number is 30. So we will convert this number into fraction? We will write down 30 upon this total number, that is 30 upon 120, and after cancellation we are getting 1 by 4. So this is our first fraction. Second number is 40 and total is 120. So 40 upon 120 means this total will be written in the denominator in each fraction over here. And after that we have to do cancellation, right? Like here in the second, 40 upon 120, and after cancellation we will get 1 by 3. In the third number it is 25. So 25 upon 120, after cancellation we will get 5 by 24. Fourth number is 25. So it will be again 25 upon 120, which is equals to again 5 upon 24. And no need to do for this total, right? So we will find out 4 fraction for 4 corresponding numbers. So after finding the fractions, we have to find the central angle. Children, you know that in a circle, the value of central angle is always 360 degree. So when we will find out the central angles, what we have to do, we will multiply the given fraction with 360 degree. Like here it is 1 by 4 into 360. Then second fraction is 1 by 3. So it will be 1 by 3 into 360. Third fraction is 5 by 24. So it will be 5 upon 24 into 360 degree, right? Like the first fraction is 1 by 4 into 360. So I am solving here and showing you 1 by 4 into 360 degree. How can you cancel, children? 4 nines are 36 and 4 zeros are 0. That means the value of the central angle for North Indian food is 90 degree. Just like this, for the second fraction 1 by 3, it will be 1 by 3 into 360 degree. Okay, so after cancellation, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 zeros are 0. We are getting 120 degree. Okay, so the value of central angle for South Indian food is 120 degree. And for the third fraction, which is 5 upon 24, we will write down 5 upon 24 into 360 degree. Right? So if we are cancelling 360 directly by 24, we will get 15, right? And after multiplication of 15 and 5, we will get 75 degree. Just like this, in the fourth fraction, again we will get 75 degree, right? Because the fractions are same. Children, like this we will get the central angle for all four data. Here you can do one more thing. You can cross check whether your calculations are correct or not. How? You just add all the central angles and it should be equals to 360 degree. And if it is not equals to 360 degree, that means the calculations are wrong somewhere. Let's see whether it is equals to 360 degree or not. So 90 plus 120, it is equals to 210. Then 75 plus 75 is 150. So 150 plus 210 is equals to 360 degree. That means our calculations are correct. So children, this was the first part of the construction of pie chart. Right? Now in the second part, we will learn how to construct pie chart through the central angles. Children, in this part, I will explain you that how to construct pie chart. And you know that pie chart will be constructed in a circle. So first of all, in first step, we will construct, means we will draw a circle with any convenient radius. It is not compulsory ki how much radius you have to take. Okay, according to your convenience, any suitable radius you can take and draw a circle. Like here, I am drawing a circle with a suitable radius. Okay, after that, we have to draw its one of the radius. Like here, I am drawing its radius. Okay, after this, we have to draw its first central angle. And what is the value of the first central angle in this table, children? It is 90 degree. Okay, so we have to draw 90 degree angle with this radius. But how to use the compass for drawing 90 degree angle at this radius? So how to keep? We will keep the protractor in such a way the line of the base of the protractor and this radius should overlap like this. Okay, so where is 90 degree here, children? This is 90 degree, right? Now I am joining them. Now this part of the circle means this sector is of 90 degree, which is for North Indian, right? So this is the value of the central angle for North Indian. Now second central angle for South Indian is 120 degree. Now we have to draw 120 degree central angle on the same circle. So how to do? Again, the base of the protractor should overlap the radius, but not the first radius this time. This radius should be overlapped with the base of the protractor like this. And children, we have to draw 120 degree angle, and 120 degree is an obtuse angle, right? So it will come this side. Now join them. Join the points, this and this point. Okay, so this sector is of 120 degree, which shows South Indian food, right? Now like this, we will draw third central angle 75 degree, which is for Chinese food, right? How to draw 75? Again, we will use this base, okay? And again, the line of protractor and this base should overlap. And children, 75 degree is an acute angle, so it should be before 90. So 75 is an acute angle, so it will come between 70 and 80. So this is 75 degree, right? Now we will join. Okay. After joining this, we got 75 degree central angle for Chinese food. And children, the last is for others, and that is also for 75 degree. So no need to construct the last angle. Whichever is left over, that is the last central angle for others. So this is 75 degree for others. Now we have to label the sectors. Like the first sector is for North Indian. Second sector is for South Indian. Third sector is for Chinese. And fourth sector is for others. So children, I hope you have understood how to construct a pie chart through the central angle. Means after getting the value of central angles, how can we draw a pie chart? Thank you so much.